Okay, draw your attention to the bottom left square. As you notice, the text said room status from unoccupied to occupied. The middle square lets you know the contrast, so this code transforms what it sees into a few different views, and then using those different views it figures out where motion is. So basically the pixels, it finds the difference between the different layers, and then it maps, like think of a grid, it maps where the movement has moved from these coordinates to these sets of coordinates. So I turned the camera because I realized, hey, there was no contrast, everything was white. Now you'll see green squares because those squares are indicating where it thinks motion is aggregated. Still trying to get the camera's attention. Thinking snapping at it will do something. And showing it the cube. Now I'm trying to make expressions to see if it can pick up the muscle movements. This is my speech recognition code. I hope it can pick up what I am saying. Yes. Yes. Okay, so I got my friend to be a guinea pig. I wanted to see if it can detect a face, not live, but through another screen. So I called him on FaceTime, and it seems that the face finder was able to detect him. I think it works with ID cards as well.